Welcome to Singaraja. I'm here in the north of Bali and I'm here to discover its street food, its people and its culture. It's 6 a.m. and we're already on the road. So follow me as I discover Singaraja and its hidden secrets. We're in the heart of Singaraja in North Bali. And first thing to do when you get up here is to have your kopi TM, coddled eggs, char kway, and their signature dish here, which is actually egg mixed with a bit of lime juice and honey. And this is meant to give you the power for the day or power for other things known too. In this warung, there's actually no name. It's been around since 1969 and it's actually run by a Chinese family, and now it's been handed down to the second and third generation, which are Chinese and Balinese mixed together. And it's a place where the locals come and hang out and have their morning breakfast before they start work. So the first one we're going to have is the soft-boiled egg. You're going to add a little bit of pepper in here, and then you're going to have a little bit of salt in here, and you mix that through. Char kway, freshly made here, and then you get this in. That's really good. Now for the next one. A little bit dubious about raw egg, but you know what? When in Singaraja, do as the Singarajans do. Okay. I used to have this when I was a kid living in Portugal, raw egg and nutmeg. This is with honey. The flavor's good. Actually, surprisingly, it's really yummy. Very, very good. And they also serve donuts with as well. So I reckon the donut will go well with the raw egg, and that char kway goes really well with the coddled egg. There's another name for the char kway, which is actually yu tuao. And yu tuao is actually, yu is being oil in Chinese, and tiao is stick. So actually, oily stick is what I'm eating. And you know what? It tastes pretty similar to an oily stick.